steak, chips and pepper sauce. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large potato, cut into chunky chips, skin left on, 1 fillet steak, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 125 milliliters beef stock, 2 heap TBSP extra thick double cream. Method: heat oven to 200°C. Put 1 tablespoon oil in a small roasting tin and heat up in the oven. Boil the potatoes in salted water for 3 minutes before draining and letting steam dry for a few minutes. Season, carefully toss in the hot oil and cook for 30 to 35 minutes until crisp and golden. When the chips are nearly done, heat the rest of the oil in a frying pan. Season the steak with lots of freshly ground pepper and a little salt, then fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how rare you like it. Rest for 5 minutes while you make the sauce. Pour excess oil from the pan and add the vinegar. Bubble, then add the stock and boil until reduced by half. Stir through the cream, bubbling to thicken a little, then add as much extra pepper as you like. Serve with steak, chips and peas.